Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory RMCF just filed an element related to a change in their auditor, and I'm seeing a very specific red flag that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company is changing auditors and the reasons given are pretty standard. But there is one detail that is concerning when you look at their recent performance. Alright, let's dive into this report from Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory Incorporated. This is a current report, essentially an update on something significant happening with the company. The big news here, the main reason for this filing, is a change in their certified public accountant. That is a fancy way of saying they are switching the accounting firm that checks their books, the ones who verify their financial health. Now, the company tells us that on the 8th of June of 2026, the board of directors approved bringing on a new accounting firm called Rosenberg Rich Baker Berman, or RRBB for short. This new firm will be looking over their books for the fiscal year ending in February of 2027. This is a pretty normal part of corporate life. Companies hire and fire auditors. But, and this is where it gets interesting, they also announced they are parting ways with their previous accounting firm, Conresnick LLP, which we'll just call Conresnick. So why the switch? Usually these things are phased in very carefully. Here is the kicker. Conresnick's past reports for the years ending the 28th of February 2026 and the 28th of February 2025 didn't exactly have glowing reviews. They didn't issue a negative opinion, which is good. But they did include a paragraph expressing what they call substantial doubt about the company's ability to continue as a going concern. That is accounting speak for we're not sure if this company will be around in a year. This is a massive red flag, folks. It is like your doctor telling you are healthy, but you might need a transplant soon. Think about what that means. The auditor, the impartial party verifying the financial statements, is signaling that there is a real risk the company might not be able to pay its debts or operate normally in the foreseeable future. This isn't just a slight dip in profits, it is a deep concern about the company's fundamental survival. When we see this, it typically means the company has significant financial challenges, like a lot of debt, falling revenues, or cash flow problems. Now, is this a common occurrence? Yes. Unfortunately, especially for smaller companies, we saw similar going concern warnings for companies like Bed Bath and Beyond and Rite Aid before they faced significant restructuring or bankruptcy. It is a serious warning sign that investors should pay close attention to. Often, after a going concern note, we see these companies either turn things around dramatically or head towards some form of insolvency. The filing also states that there were no major disagreements between the company and Conresnick about accounting principles or anything that would have led to a qualified audit opinion. This is usually a good sign, as it suggests the previous auditor's departure wasn't due to a big fight over how to report things. However, it doesn't erase the going concern warning. It just means the dispute wasn't about a specific accounting rule, but about the overall financial health. So why hire a new auditor like Rosenberg Rich Baker Berman sometimes? Companies switch auditors hoping for a fresh perspective, or because they believe a new firm can help them navigate their financial challenges more effectively. It could also be a strategic move to signal to the market that they are serious about addressing the issues raised by the previous auditor. What is also important is that the company sent this report, the Form 8K, to Conresnick and asked them to confirm if they agreed with the company's description of their departure. This is standard procedure to ensure accuracy. The response from Conresnick, which is filed as an exhibit, is expected to state whether or not they concur with the company's account of their separation. We are told that a copy of that letter is attached as Exhibit 16.1. Interestingly, the company also states that they had not consulted with their new auditors, RRBB, on any specific accounting issues or disagreements before this engagement. This means the decision to switch was likely a direct response to the concerns raised by Conresnick. Now, while this filing doesn't show us the actual financial numbers themselves, the information about the auditor change, particularly the going concern warning from the previous auditor, is a significant signal. This is not a time to just gloss over. It is a signal that Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory Incorporated is facing serious headwinds. When we look at the broader context, we know this company is in the confectioners industry with a market cap of about $15 million, and its stock price has been quite volatile over the last year, trading between $1.18 and $2.99. Recent headlines have also pointed to revenue declines and an investor selling a significant number of shares. This auditor change, coupled with the going concern note, paints a picture of a company under considerable financial pressure. My biggest concern is the implied financial instability when an independent auditor raises substantial doubt about a company's ability to continue operating. It is a clear warning to investors. While the company is switching auditors, it is crucial to remember that the underlying financial issues that led to the going concern statement from Conresnick likely still exist. The new auditor may be brought in with the hope of a fresh start, but that doesn't magically fix cash flow problems or excessive debt. We will be watching closely to see if the new auditor's RRBB provide a more optimistic outlook in future reports, or if that going concern language persists. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded if you found this breakdown helpful. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and join our Discord for further discussion.